Double upload time. Okay, so I just got the comment from Monica Salsa that said car white. Are you talking about my Caprice or? Okay, I don't know. Still, but I'm checking something. Can the Duster? God damn it! Can the Duster top my car? That sounds like a really crappy game show. If we get inside here, holy hell, it smells like fart. Well, it doesn't smell like fart. It smells like dust. I guess that's why they call it the Duster. So it's already been a minute. Okay, my camera, stop being blurry. Anyway, the wipers, or the lights I meant. The lights have an even more satisfying sound. So, 1 point to the Duster. It's 1-0. Wipers. Fuck. 1-1 for this. Not a sound at all. 1-2. It's broken, but you can still hear it. 1-3. 2-3. That's very satisfying and a great way. So, this car has a bench seat. My car has a bench seat too, but we took it out. Now, bench seats are good for literally everyone because you can have the driver here, the child here, and then the wife here. So, I mean, it's a tie. Actually, no, it's still 2-3. I don't even know what this is. Is it? Oh, they're hazard lights. You can't see since it's blurry, but it says hazard right there. Okay, well, freaking still 2-3. The transmission doesn't even work. Screw it, 2-4. At least I can actually move this in my car. So, for the fan, high, low, 3-4. Very satisfying. And you know what? I like it. I don't know what these are, but I think they have the exact same purpose as my car, so it's still... You know what? Nobody gets a point for that one. I think this is... There is no lighter in here. But, you know, the lighter, it's the best part. So, I don't know why it's the best part for me. I just like how it looks and, you know, I like how it works. So, 3-5, I meant 3-5. Glove box, jammed. Wings, none. Mirror, 1. Caprice wins. So, we had 3-6 because, you know, the wings and the mirror. No, just 3-5 because the Caprice only has 1 mirror too. So, yeah. The Duster could not top my car. In fact, let's go see if some other cars can top my car. I already know that Mustang's out of the conversation because No, just no. Let's see if the Oldsmobile can top my car. Now, mob. Mob. Fucking hair. So, due to some reasons, I can't really get in the Oldsmobile, but I can kind of look in there. I can't see anything, so let's just go with Caprice Stowlands. That steering wheel is beautiful, though. It does have wings, but they don't work. My dad destroyed one of them trying to close it because he thought that you push them in instead of pull this little crank. So, in fact, nothing tops my car for now. Ducks.